still unprofitable. Well, it's day 194. We're on the 4th of November, so let's do this. Came in early again, and without delay, let's just get started. We'll be doing this inversion model here. This inversion model, we'll be doing it in 2023. Yeah. Let's start on the daily. Like remove everything. Now when you check the daily, well, looks like we're recovering from some bearish movements. We'll have a weekly high here for this target, and looks like we're respecting bullish PA here. Like this gap here is getting respected. It's a daily gap getting respected, so I believe we could continue going higher. Now the 4 doesn't have anything in my interest because there is no gap, like freedom fair value gaps, but the 1 hour has a small fair value gap here and another one here. But I'm sticking bullish, like the way if I trade for shorts going here, heading higher. Welcome back, Luke Miles. Right, so I'll be looking for the sell side maybe to get taken out before market goes higher for buy side liquidity. Let's check the 15-minute. Right, this is okay. By the way, ES has already taken out these lows, so this means that there's an SMT, obviously. Now let's just wait to see if I can get a high probability entry. Now we're in a 5-minute gap. Sometimes it's not the best thing that I would like to trade. We'll get an inversion here. Checking the 15-minute. It's a good rejection here. And run all the lows. Tapped into the 1 hour gap. So I think now the reversal is about to tap in. And it's also a 2-minute inversion. So I'd like to trade the next potential high, probably here or here or here. Because this, oh, by the way, this here was the first percent fair value gap. But I'd like to trade it from here, long it to these highs here. I'd like to target the 830 high though. Let's make it 22. That's 11. So we've run liquidity, we have created an inversion. It's total soup. Now all we gotta do is wait. Looks like we're gonna get cooked. In that. Looks like the 5-minute gap here held. Check the 15. Alright. Now we're consolidating too much. Left behind some lows here. Now we retrace into a 15-minute gap. Sorry, 5-minute gap. Run the high here. From here, create an good sweep and an SMT, so you can trade to the next possible sell side, which will be here. After we have this good 1-minute inversion right here, so I don't know, you can target for a 1-to-1, something like this. That's 18 handles. That's 500 over 36. So we'd sell around 13 micros. Well, let's see if this hits. Then get stopped out. Okay, crazy. Go to the next day then. And after getting stopped out, okay, it starts to go lower as I wanted it to. Man, this is so insane. That was a 15. Man, it was a 15-minute gap retracement, so I could have shorted it here to here. Ooh, so unfortunate. Next day, let's see how this goes. So it's also bullish. And I'm still long-term bullish. Where's the next daily high? There's a daily high around here. Can target this one or this one here. Well, this is small 4-hour gap. Actually, there's no 4-hour gap at all. Maybe like 2-hour or the 1 hour. So 2 hours in a gap. 1 hour is also in the gap and has a good sweep of this low here. Keep putting it at SMT. So I believe we're just gonna pump higher right at the open. Better to just wait. Most of the time the open puts in some manipulation, so I'd rather wait for a few minutes, see what happens. Okay, there's an SMT at these lows and these ones, and well, there's the first fair value gap will be this one, 1 handle. Right, this is good. 1 hour is dropping. I'd like to see it hold to the upside. How's the 4 hour? Still looking okay. The 1 hour, this low here has been run as well on ES. This one hasn't been run yet. This low here. This is some sort of SMT. Alright, so here's a good gap and another block. If they would hold. Let's see how this goes. Now the 1 hour end up inversing this gap, showing me not good signs. Like I would have expected to be bullish, so this shows me that it will now start going to some bear side targets, so we gotta be open to anything happening here. Also have a daily low there. It looks like I'm just gonna let this day go. There's nothing here in my interest. Let's only go highs there. These highs here weren't run, were they? That's something I'd like to short off of. Just go to the next day. So turns out the previous day was bearish, so it's going into this daily gap. Now I'd like to see if we get an expansion to the upside. The rejection of the daily gap, obviously. Some sort of SMT with this low here. I'd like to see this gap getting burst. But if it holds, then the 4-hour lows will be targeted. There's a 1-hour gap here, and another one here that's holding. So these 1-hour highs are good. London highs. Now sweep of the lows. Now checking the 15-minute. Right at the open, we get a drop into this 1-hour gap. I'd like now to see it reject. Well, Look, the goal of this backtesting is to get to know my model better and get comfortable with it. I don't have a plan when I finish with it because I do it obviously with my live trading. It's like it has become my routine. Maybe some day I'll release the last series because I started this as a backtesting until I'm profitable series, and I know it's anytime soon. I just gotta let my model play out over the long run and also learn how to be more disciplined with my entries. So I believe this backtesting is to teach me how to get more comfortable with my trading model. Does that answer your question, Mr. Luke? Okay, crazy move. We're gonna reject it. It's a good expansion. Okay, 0.5 minute. Nope, there is nothing that is disrupting here. Sorry. And on the 1 hour, we're in a good gap. Now I'd like to see this reject. The 15 minute is looking okay. You can target this relatively highs here. Performed before the market opens, so you can take longs towards the high here. Something like this, full 2R. And that will be 22. So here's my take profit. Wait a minute. Then we got stopped out. Bro, this is insane. Insane. Like, I used to take profit by a few handles here. Like 3 handles, bro. 3 handles are the ones that cooked me today. I hate this. But I mean, this would end up as a break even actually, because I would have closed by these highs. Wait, this is a break even here. Something like this. I think I should move to break even when price moves like half of what I'm expecting. Turns out the previous day was obviously bullish as I was expecting. Have too many things here. Let me reduce them. How the 4H? 4H, nothing that interesting. Let's see, we've embraced a 1 hour gap. What does this show us? We have an SMT at the highs. I mean, this transfer price is gonna head to the next possible discount PDRI or liquidity, which is this one, obviously. So what am I expecting here? It's really something like this. All I gotta do is just sit and wait and see what happens. Okay, so it also had an SMT here. Turns out there was, I didn't see it. Then market starts going higher. That's crazy. So end up hitting buy side. It's raining. Well, got a crazy SMT at the lows. Right, the open market starts rallying higher. No retracement for me to enter from. But yeah, whatever. What will the next target be after running these highs? Well, remember that there's an SMT at the highs. After this whole move, I'm not really confident with selling this. Get now another SMT here, bro. Like, you can frame it from both ends, to be honest. This trade would have been good, but I didn't take it because of where ES was. Like, it was really far, it was not correlating at all. But you can see how good these inversions are looking like. You know, if you enter here and target this high here, you put your stop around here. And 2R will be provided, obviously. Master. 2023 wasn't an easy year, to be honest. Let me check the month that we're at. April 2023. Can see how like we made like not even 1%. So we didn't make even 1% with this. So let's see where it heads. Also have 2023 where we lost. May 2023 where we lost 3.5%. It's crazy. But let's see what happens. The market is ranging crazily here, to be honest. We're in a 2 hour gap. Usually 1 hour, and this doesn't look like a good day to trade, to be honest. It's like still ranging, but I believe it's bullish. You know, possible to the next target. So I'll be trading with that intra-session liquidity only. Well, let's go to the next game, man. Good move, good move. Crazy. Crazy move. Yeah, I mean, I didn't find a way to enter there. Like, everything was not that straightforward as I wanted it to. No. The next possible target for me, if I'm bullish, is here. And the 4 hour has a gap here. I'd like to see it move to this high here. It's also 1 hour gap, but also have this here. We'll have an SMT that's already been created. I'll enter on the next possible retracement that comes. Alright, bro, alright. Chill. MQ is going really fast. Relatively equal lows left behind. I wouldn't like to trade against them. I end up hitting for final take profit. What other target do we have? It's extremely bullish here. Weekly high there. No, all you could do now is like wait for another possible retracement, which is not kind of rare for it to happen, to be honest. Okay, retracement into a 15-minute gap, running this low, leaving an SMT behind. SMT. Then you can run into this high, hopefully. So 500 over 24, so that's 20. Okay, we'll get cooked here or not. Good move, good move, good move. And look at how great it continues higher. I mean, we can use what's it called, standard deviation levels here. Let's check it out. Right. Then this is like, as the retail do say, somewhat of a bot, but whoa, we're even farther from the screens. This is insane. Anyways, good move. Let's wait for the next day. Now, price is in a 4-hour. Would like to see this 4-hour hold. We have a good SMT at the lows, so we also have a 15-minute gap that we're in, so I hope that holds as well. Got some London and Asia highs here. Now let's see what happens at the open. That's what I would like to wait for. Now price runs this slow here. Okay, so had the sweep here, then got some sort of retracement. Let me check out with ES as well. So there's the SMT here. ES is respecting the gap. I'd rather wait for a little bit. It's not the best that it could be. Okay, so close to the low there. Right now, there's the sweep. Now, is it gonna reverse? If it reverses here, I'm moving. Okay, so the gap has been inversed now, both the 1 minute and the 2 minute. Let's check the 15, the 5. Right, so now target these relatively equal highs here. Get stopped out right away, a break even. But yeah, this was a good move for the upside. Turns out the previous day was bearish and I was wrong. And now, I don't know, we have gaps here and gaps here, so it could probably reach for the one in discount. So I'd rather wait for more confirmation if it's gonna go lower, such as this gap here on the 4-hour that's holding, and the 1-hour gap here that's holding with some SMTs. I don't know why this looks like it could go lower. We on Monday, what's this? What kind of PA is this? The hell? Right, so we've got a crazy new week open gap. Like market closed here, opened here, dropped, then all of a sudden jumped here. It looks strange. Alright, now Let's see what happens here. Sorry. Okay. Rather wait for some high to get a run. So the SMT gets validated. Is it gonna reverse or is it gonna continue higher? Well, now 1 minute gap has been reversed and the 2 minute as well. And the 5 minute has a gap here and here. How about the 15? It's extremely bullish. Asia highs have already been run. Now let's check the 4H. 4H has already inversed the gap. It did it. Oh yeah, we're a few minutes till this one closes, so I'd rather wait. Right now, checking the 4 hour, we've inversed here, which is like a red flag to say. It shows that we could now be heading for buy side liquidity, and we've inversed the gap here, so it's not the best sign you'd see. It shows some sort of bullishness. Gonna get a sweep here. Looks like there's a 2 minute here that's holding. I'd like to long it here, Okay, so this kind of close. Now I think I can long it. Pretty big stop, but I mean, whatever. Target this high at the next weekly high. That will be 500 over 62. That's 8. It's consolidating. I believe it's in a 5 minute gap. It's insane. It's not looking like the best VA here. It's consolidating like crazy. I think I'm gonna close it here as a break even. Let's wait for we're in a macro. I mean, the macro is close. The macro looks like it's gonna stop us out, so no. Whoa, crazy reversal. This is some tricky PA to be in, to be honest. But it's still in the session. Right now here I'll be getting out of break even. I guess the third break even. Maybe the soup is coming. You know the sound of backtesting when it's raining, it's just fun. Prolong your dreams when everything is calling for sleep. So you've got a good liquidity run on the upside. I don't know why I feel like treating this like the all-time high, but it's not. Got an inversion here on MNQ, 2 hour inversion, obviously 1 hour as well. We've got this low that's close to the gap, so I believe this low is we're gonna reach to that low. We've also got a 1 hour high. Let's check out the weekly level. We're still in the weekly gap. I'd like to see a small retracement, not something where it got aggressive, but just a small retracement to the downside, or take shots towards the low here. got a small sample there. Yeah, that is fine. It's running like crazy. Keep time. Whoa, what happened here? 9:45. There was some news here. Let's check it out. 9:45. We had S&P Global P9 flash. This one here just from living behind crazy S&T at this low. You know, I like to still see it go lower. Let's wait and see. Right, 1 hour is looking good. Look at how bearish the previous day was. So right now I'm gonna head here or here. It will also continue low and just anticipating, but I'd like to see it reject. And if it doesn't, well, we'll see what it shows us. If it's respecting bearish PA, then we sell. For example, this gap here has been respected. 15-minute small gap here. This would be my lowest hanging fruit. This daily low. I credit this also 4-hour gap. I'd like to move it to the 4-hour gap, and I'd like to see here reject go for us for price to go higher. The closest one bullish gap would be there on the 1 hour. Well, the 15-minute would be somewhere around here. Pretty crazy open. That's how it gets run. Now heading to the 15-minute. Insane. So bullish. Still got an SMT at this high here. Let's see, we're gonna inverse this 2 minute. If we do that, sell this 1 minute actually. I'd like to target here, this low here. For now, I consider the 30-minute, 15-minute hold is holding, and the 1 hour is looking okay. So I'd like to short it towards here. I don't think this one here is gonna hold. So that's 14. Gonna sell 14. See what happens. Come on, bro. Okay, now it's going in a regular motion here. Good move. Good move. 1.6R. And could make this further by, making it a full 2R here. So the stop will be tighter, but I believe it could give us a better win rate. I think so. Because we're now in this consolidation gap for the whole half of the. Alright. It's a good move to the downside, to be honest. Come on, MMQ here as well. So it's a 5-minute gap retracement, another inversion. Is it gonna go lower? Yeah, absolutely rips the low. This was like a turtle soup for me. Thank you, NQ. Thank you for this. So, Look at this crazy open. Like market has already opened higher, rejecting the gap as I was thinking. Now we're going higher. Well, the daily targets are over. We're now like some sort of weekly targets, and using the what's it called? Using the standard deviation levels, you know. Like for example here, like almost all, actually all of them have been hit. This one here is corresponding to some days Asia high. Like all of the standard deviation levels is slightly out limit. So this day we've already moved enough points. I don't know if it could be probability. So, okay, good. Easy open. We're heading into a gap. Yep, we tapped into a 1 hour gap there. This low here. Now is it gonna reverse and go to the upside? I'm pretty skeptical about that, to be honest. Let's see, we're gonna reach into this 5-minute high at least. There's a 2-minute inversion here. You can see long it to the here. Well, small one to 1. 430, that's 16. And for it to hit this high, then continue lower, I trade the retracement. Yo. But this was so. Ooh, actually, wait. Here's the rule. Like the moment we get this SMT, look at this high here. Zoom this in. Look at this SMT there. It's not an SMT. Yeah, here it's an SMT. This is where I should close my position because it was insane. But the problem is, am I able to perform it like that in the what's it called, in the live markets? Chances are not that much. Anyways, we can sell it now. Like if it's looking to replace after having this SMT, you know, and the sweep of the high there, and after pressing here, I think it's obviously this is the low hanging fruit, but this is also 1 hour low. So I move to break even once this low here gets taken out. I guess total break even there. But I expected it. I mean, if you're trading towards this low, then you gotta expect it to hit this low, obviously. How be negative R. But yeah, whatever. Let's check 15 now. Alright, 15-minute gap tapped into. One-minute inversion here. No, we could sell it now. So just lower it, giving a 1-to-1 as well. So that's 10. Sell it again. So Come on, bro. Aging it? Seriously. But I think it's because yes, as taking it. But bro, I'm forcing stuff here. It's a range. Okay, looks like we're set up for a bullish move now. Nothing that interesting on the 4 hour. 1 hour, there's a good gap that's holding. Like to see the Asia now. Can have some standard deviation projections such as this 30 standard deviation, and the fourth will be the lowest hanging fruits. So good move at 8. Also have the lowest hanging fruit here. Got relatively close there. No retracement? Seriously, NQ? Who hurt you? Who hurt you, bro? So it looks like all the standard deviation levels you get hit in the first 30 minutes market open. I think it's because of this retracement lower. Like, what else did it have to wait for? No retracement, like directly shoots up. So this gap here is holding, and now the sweep, shift, retest. It's already late in the day. Let's let this day slide. Even though I mean it could give us like a good trade, but insane. Ends up hitting the weekly high. We gotta find new targets. Now on the weekly, this week was obviously bullish. New target is another weekly high here. Closest that low hanging fruit. Let's go to the next day, which obviously also hits it. Checking out the weekly. Yeah, I've already hit this one here. I'll be using standard deviation levels. Now the daily looks bullish. 4 hour. We're in a 4 hour gap. I don't know if it's gonna retrace to discount gaps, but if it does, then we obviously will adjust and look for sales. Otherwise, I think price could be good. Let's check the next 1 hour low. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm not gonna trade against relatively close, man. You know that, obviously. Okay. Still living behind relatively close. I don't know what will happen. Is it like a bank holiday? Because it's really, really slow. Oh, there were actually some news. Yeah, it's Shopee, bro. Barcode. So looks like the previous day doesn't expand at all. It's like it's a day after large range day, so obviously low probability. So I'd like to see retracement into some 1 hour lows, like this one or this one here. Okay, so at 5, I mean at the open price runs these lows, not this one though, runs it, then reverses, leaving behind a good inversion, 15-minute reversing after running this low, leaving behind an SMT 1 hour gap. So now I think we're gonna head to this high, something like this. Oh, sorry, that's the way every day goes. All right, so something like this. That's 500 over 29 times 2. What's 29 times 2? That's 58. Let's put our stop loss. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, right after I take it. I think I should reevaluate my stops. And like after getting stopped out, look at how good price starts going higher. Okay. Well, I was wrong on the bias then. Then where would it be heading to? 4 hour low. Alright. Another SMT there. So this looks somewhat bearish. It's gonna go low to this low here. For 15-minute gap. Yo, this is insane. So 1 minute gap here that's been embraced. And I feel like I should sell it to this low on this one here. And see if this 2 minute inverses. If it inverses at this gap here, we can sell it to this relatively close. Let's just check it out. It's not like it will hurt us if we do. It's 100 over 46, so that's 10. Do 1 over relatively close target. Let's just sit through it and see. Yay, take profit, bro. take profit. Then continues to these lows as well, which is good. And you could have also targeted those for a 1 to 2.5, or instead of closing at these ones here, I mean this was the low hanging fruit, so whatever. Here, there's also another short opportunity at this inversion. The price ran this high? No, just run this one here and started reversing. So it's possible that this day could also be bearish, so we gotta be cautious, but I'd like to see it go higher to, you know, the next time, to in this sort of range here, some sort of SMT here. This for a high will be a good target. We're just only in the daily POI, but we're not also in any POI here. This low here gets run. Still got some sort of SMTs. Don't have any POI to rely on, man. I'm gonna just jump it for a day. So it moved really good at 9, 10, but I didn't get any manipulation of this. Oh, actually, yes, running. So should we have longed it somewhere around here after these Asia lows have been run? Let's see if there was an opportunity here this day. Let's see, entry there, stop here. Let's see what targets would we have. Let's go to the next day. So we're in this 1 hour gap here. I feel like it could go higher. I think actually my bias is bullish, and while the open does go higher. I don't know where I'm gonna enter at, but it's insane. Okay, this is a crazy reversal. Got a good 4 hour gap here. So is the price gonna retrace into it? Then we inverse here. Checking the 1 hour, the 15 minute. Now this will be my initial target, but I would like to see it reach this 4 hour gap. So this is a good 5-minute close as well. So something like this. 100 over 62. That's 8. So 8 of them. Come on, bro. Right after save my stop loss, in 3 minutes get stopped out. I hate myself. Why isn't it deleting? Alright. So we got the good buy side targets. Nothing here to hold the PA. There's no gap or anything at all. And the London highs are about to get taken out. London highs get tapped out. Is it gonna continue higher? Yeah, it does continue higher. It's gonna retrace into a 5-minute, isn't it? Right now we have this here, 15 minutes looking okay. I think it could start rejecting. Get some SMT in these lows here. Like this low here was taken out. I'd like to see this one hold to the upside. The obvious next target will be this high here, because I see the 1 minute is inversing and the 2 minute is also inversing. You can see where it closed, the 2 minute, but I didn't have to wait for the 2 minute because the minute was looking okay here. Okay, let's take it at 1.25. This could be the last trade of the stream. This is the ugliest I've ever seen. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. It's obvious. Inner peace. Dinner, please. Inner peace. Dinner, please. We're in a 4 hour gap. I'd like to see it hold to here. Got good buy side targets. Looks like you also got some lows here that could get run. Okay, got a run on this low here. Looks like it doesn't want to reverse. Just reverse already, bro. There's a 1 minute inversion here. How's the 2 minute? 2 minutes has a really huge gap here. Now how big would this thing be? It's a 5 minute gap. Let's see. Last day was a consolidation day as well. I think this daily gap will be hit anytime soon. So we're in a range. And price is already in a range, so I don't really expect much from it. It's like we're about to get out of it though. Right, insane rejection. Drop the downside. 15 minute looking not the best. Okay, let's see if we're gonna long it here. So we've now dropped to the daily gap. Is it? Oh, sorry, it's the 1 hour gap thing. Now we're in the daily, I believe. After this insane drop, the only retracement was here, but there was no inversion formed for me to enter from. But bro, this was insane. SMT at this high, here, this 15-minute high, and get the inversion here. It's the 1 minute and the 2 minute as well. Can short it. You can still short it to this low. And you have a like 1-to-1 thing. Let's 500 over 38. And that's 13, obviously. Just play it and see. I hate. God, this is so painful, man. Like, since when did price stop respecting PA, bro? Well, turns out it's gonna continue dropping. This was a large range day yesterday. I'm gonna go here. In the 1st of June, I believe this May was ugly. Let's check out May 2023. You're down 3.5. Wait. In June, we're already down 3%, man. Look at how crazy this chart looks. So I still think we're going lower. Maybe a run into this high then drop. Nine 30 inverses here, then it starts going higher. It's putting in this crazy SMT. Now we're with the 4-hour high here. So now gonna reverse to like a 15-minute low. It's like we're rejecting to the upside. Yes, it's still holding in that gap. I think we're going higher, but then there's this huge 4-hour gap. Well, if it sells off, then we'll be targeting here, but I'd like to see it hold and take longs towards this all-time high. It's not an all-time high, it's a little bit far. We're not in any gap so far, so the chances of me being bullish are quite low. Like without a retracement, without even a retracement, directly jumps higher. So we've already embraced the gap. I think I'm gonna long it, but I'm looking for a place to have a better entry. Okay, there is a run on the low. 15-minute gap retracement. Oh, come on. Take the next 15-minute high after embracing a 2-minute here. The 2-minute burst. This will be like 1-to-1 though. Not them big here. Just sit and see. Oh, that was fast. Bro, trading the craziest time, I think. Big chance to make your day. Alright, so let's see where we're at. Still short of the 1 week fair value gap, 1 week high. But yeah, we've already had long enough of the session. It's been an hour and 30 minutes. Let's just stop it here and we'll obviously continue next time. And yeah, I'll still continue developing the model. It's not the best, it's not foolproof. You can see that in 2023 was cooked, absolutely cooked. So